are over 60, you've likely been told that your bone-on-bone knee pain is just a part of getting old. You've been told the cartilage is gone and your only options are toxic painkillers or a $50,000 surgery. But they are wrong. Statistics show that long-term use of common painkillers increases your heart failure risk by 19%. You aren't fixing the problem, you're just masking a fire while your house burns down. Today, I'm revealing a 99-cent mineral that acts as biological glue to stop the grinding and start the repair. The problem and the science. Why are your joints failing? It's not just age, it's calcification. As we age, calcium leaks out of our bones and settles into our joint spaces, turning soft cartilage into sandpaper. This happens because our modern diet is missing one critical trace element: boron. Without boron, your body cannot manage calcium properly. A study in the Journal of Trace Elements found that in areas where boron intake is high, arthritis rates are under 10%. In the US, where it's low, that number jumps to 70%. The debunking and the solution. First, you must stop the ibuprofen trap. Taking NSAIDs daily actually blocks your body from building new cartilage. You feel better for an hour, but you are making the joint worse in the long run. Instead, you need to provide the raw materials for repair. The 99-cent solution. You need 3 milligrams to 6 milligrams of boron daily. It costs pennies, but the results are massive. In clinical trials, boron reduced C-reactive protein, the main marker of inflammation in the body, by nearly 50% in just 14 days. It tells your body, put the calcium back in the bones and lubricate the joints. The action plan. Here is your 3-step protocol. 1. Supplement. Find a boron glycinate supplement. It's usually less than $10 for a 3-month supply. 2. Eat for joints. Add 5 prunes or a handful of raisins to your breakfast. These are nature's highest sources of boron. 3. The synergy. Take it with magnesium. Together, they unlock the repair mode in your cartilage cells. The motivation and CTA. You don't have to accept a life of limited mobility. Imagine walking down the stairs without holding the rail, or gardening for hours without stiffness. This 99-cent mineral is the key your doctor isn't talking about. If you're over 60 and want to reclaim your freedom, hit the like button and subscribe. We are dedicated to senior health that actually works. Comment your age below and tell me, what's the first thing you'll do once your knee pain is gone? Stay healthy, stay mobile. Would you like me to write a short community post to announce this video to your subscribers?